Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! If you're part of the Instagram family, you know you've been waiting for this video. Today I'm sharing with you my kitchen reveal. Also, I'm gonna have some behind the scenes of what went down during the kitchen transformation with some details as well. Don't forget to check the description box, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you go today. Hola para todas mis seguidoras que hablan español. Hoy les voy a estar compartiendo cómo quedó mi cocina y su transformación. Espero que disfruten este video. Las quiero y gracias por el apoyo. Here's a little footage of the kitchen before. We've been in this house for 6 years, and since I moved in, I knew the kitchen was something that I wanted to do. The previous owner renovated it literally like 6 years ago before we bought it, but to their taste, obviously. I think it was an oak nightmare. It was a custom cabinet, so that's why we saved them, because they were really good quality and they cost a lot of money. So after watching over 1,000 YouTube videos on how to paint your oak cabinets, I decided to hire a professional to do it. The reason why is because I wanted to get that smooth finish in my cabinets. I didn't want it to get any paint brushes strokes. I didn't want that look, and that's exactly what we got. I will put his info down below in case you're in New York. He did an amazing job in my cabinets. So the first step they did was obviously come to my house, remove all the doors, take them to their shop, and then they came the next day or like 2 days later to paint the base cabinet. So when they came and installed the doors, I was blown away. I was like, oh my God, I got my white kitchen. So after all the doors were installed, I knew the backsplash was kind of crushed. I was like, no, I didn't like you before and I'm not gonna stay with you now. So it was time for me to go shopping. I went to Weisman Outlets. I totally recommend you visit that store if you are in New York. They have a huge selection of everything you need for home renovation. So here are the two tiles. I want to thank you all if you're part of the Instagram family that helped me pick. I honestly was sold on the glam one, the one on the right, but my countertop are already dark. So I wanted a timeless clean look and a brighter look, and that's exactly what the marble one gave me. Time for the tile to go up, and I couldn't be happier with my choice. After the backsplash was on, I found another problem, the floor. I was like, oh my God, this floor is just in bad shape. So refinishing the wood floor, it was just not in our best interest because of the mess. So we decided to head over to Weisman Outlets again, and I found this really pretty vinyl flooring that it was super affordable, and I knew it was gonna look great on the kitchen. It's very durable and you don't need glue or anything to put it together. It was super easy to put it together. So to make my glass door look even more custom, I was going to put mirrors in them, but I never got to it. So I decided to reach out to my overlays, and they were so nice to send me these beautiful panels to put in my glass doors. And it turned out so beautiful, you guys. If you're not familiar with my overlays, you guys, you could turn your basic furniture into amazing custom pieces. They create panels for any surface or any furniture you could think of. Just reach out to them and they will make it happen. The last thing I did to the kitchen was add under cabinet lighting. I came across this one, super affordable, and I was impressed with the quality, because for that price I was just like, whoa. They're controlled via your phone, via an app that you have to download. I like that you could put them on a timer to turn on and off whenever you set them to. I also like that you could change the colors to different scenes and different brightness and everything like that. So I thought that was super cool. I will link them down below in case you guys are interested. Without further ado, here's my kitchen transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I have to say the breakfast nook is also one of my favorite areas in the kitchen makeover. I think it turned out so pretty. I also gave it a pop of fall. So here's a little inspiration if you're looking for kitchen decor for fall. I kept it super simple. That was it for this video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to decorate or renovate your kitchen. I also want to give special thanks to Weisman Outlets, to my overlays, and to everyone that made this renovation happen. Thank you all so much. I will see you guys on my next video. God bless.